in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the god. She don't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for watching. If you're new, welcome to my channel. This is the Wig Doctor Side J. So today we just going to do a little video on how to make your own little cartoon logo. So with all that said, let's jump right in. So the first app I'm on right now is Canva. This Canva Pro, we're going to upload our picture, whatever picture you want. You go in, you click upload, and you choose your photo. Then we want to take out the background of the photo, and we just want the object. So to erase the object, you want to click Effects and click Erase Background. So now I got my background cleared out, and now I'm just adding a little black background or white background so I can see what's going on with the little clip. And that little picture is just what I did for my last cartoon logo. So then after that, we're going to go into my other app, which is PicsArt. So we're in the PicsArt, and then when you open up PicsArt, you want to upload your photo that you saved from Canva onto here, and you want to click on Magic. When you click on Magic, it will give you all these different options to put different effects onto your photo. So when you do all these little different effects, it gives you kind of like a more colorful or water art look. So it'll make it look already kind of like a cartoon. That's what you see here. And then after I do that, I just click adjust at the top, and I start blending in different colors and making it lighter, darker, putting in more saturation, color, whatever. So we save it, and then when we save it, after it's saved, we'll go back into PicsArt, upload the last one we just saved with our new look on it, our new color. And then you want to click on upload and sketch. So when you click on sketch, it'll give you the contours, the lines that you want. And the lines kind of gives it more of a superhero cartoony look from back in the day, like when you looked in your little magazines that they had back in the day. The cartoon magazines, I forget what they're called, but you know, that's what I'm talking about. Those lines make it look more sketchy and more artistic, more cartoony. So you just kind of want to play around with the different settings, like your saturation, your brightness, your shadows, highlights, and you just kind of want to click on whatever it is you want. So these are different options in there. There's so many of them, as you can see. I'm changing all these different options on there, but yeah, you just want to play around with that joint and figure it out. Figure out which one you like best. So I mean, it's pretty simple. You just got to play around with it. And then when you start to go in to do your logo, your circle, you just want to make sure like your circle's cleaned up, nothing sticking out from underneath the circle. So I'm gonna show you that next. Once I pick something here, we're gonna save it once we pick it this time, and then we're gonna go back to Canva. So now back in Canva, we're gonna upload the last picture that we saved from PicsArt. Now that we got this joint up in Canva, we just want to figure out what background we want to put on here, and I'm putting my circles in there to basically build up the shape of the logo. Like, you know, when you look at logos, they got the little circle and your main pictures in the inside. So that's what we're doing. You'll find all of this in the side of the Canva. I think it says elements, or what does it say? Hold on, let me see. So yeah, it's under elements. When you go in there and like once you get your picture uploaded back into here, you could click on elements. Elements will give you the circles, shapes, all that type of stuff that you want to put on your picture. So I actually uploaded and used my background from a whole nother app. I use PhotoGrid, and on PhotoGrid, if you own it or whatever, if you pay for it, they'll give you different backgrounds that you could download. So I got my the metallic backgrounds and all that type of stuff from off of PhotoGrid. And what I did was I saved it as a picture, I uploaded it into Canva, and then I was able to upload it to my background. So that you'll see after it's all cleaned up here. But pretty much you want to keep going back and forth from square to circle just to kind of clean out the background. That's the easy way to do it without having to like erase on what's the other joint? Superimpose. That superimpose, I don't know, it's kind of hard to use on a computer because the erasing part is a little different from computer than your phone. So I just prefer to like do it this way. So basically I just go back and forth with the circle. So that's why you see me keep going back to black in the background, because when I black it out I can still see what's underneath that circle that I need to like clean it up. So yeah, then I'm putting in a little splatter in the background of my picture. I pretty much just choose all these different options out of the elements to build up my photo here. And I group everything together so I can move it around all together, which is those options right up there on your right side at the top. Now I got all the dots in front of my face, but I'm gonna click on them and then it will say position up in that right corner like I said, and you could say move backwards, move forward. That's how you can position your photo. So you just build it the way you want to, and all the options are there. So I'm using Canva and PicsArt. You could also use Superimpose to erase, to use the eraser, but Canva got an eraser too, and a background eraser. So that's all I used. I mean, it's really simple. Like this tutorial is like what, 16 minutes, but technically the tutorial is a little longer than what it would take you to do this on your own. So I mean, yeah, it's just like a little 5 to 10 minute job. You can make your own little cartoon logo. You don't need to pay for it really, for nobody else. So there y'all go. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. If you are not subscribed, please go and subscribe and continue to watch and like, comment, and share my videos. Send my videos to maybe some friends that might need some help with something. You know they like this type of thing. Let them know. Come watch my page. Come watch The Wig Dr. Cy J. We out this joint. I'll see y'all again next Sunday at 5 p.m. Peace.